Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about number coding. In previous class, we already discussed about the letter coding. Today we will discuss about number coding. So for number coding also, we should know that table. So already we discussed in the previous class about this table. So let us write numbers. So in this way we should write the table. So this table is useful for letter coding, number coding, and also for letter analogy and also for letter classification. For these all topics, this table is very important. So in number coding, there are also same letters. So we already discussed that the value of y is 25, value of v is 22, g7, h8, i9, p16. So like this we know. So in letter coding, so in number coding, then the questions will be, for suppose run, the code of the run is 182114. Then you should find the code for sit. So here for the relation between R and 18 is, so the value of R is 18. The value of U is 21. The value of N is 14. So like this way, we should find the code for sit. The value of S is 19. The value of I is 9. The value of T is 20. So the code for sit is 19, 9, 20. This is the code for sit. So this model, the value of the letter only they will give. Next, another example. Pick. So for pick, they gave 17, 10, 4 and 12. So we should find the code for drop. So first you should observe the theme which had they given. So for pick, which code they given, in which theme they given. So for P, the value gives 17. Original value of P is 16, but they gave 17, means they did +1 to the original number. So P 17, I, the value of I is 9, but they did +1, so 10. C, the value of the original value of C is 3, but we should do +1, so it came 4. The value of K is 11, +1, 12. So you should apply the same theme to the drop. For example, here D give. The value of D is 4, +1, 5. The value of R is 18, +1, 19. The value of O is 15, +1, 16. The value of P is 16, +1, 7. So this is the code for drop. So here same the value of the letter given, and in another example +1 given. So they may do -1 or -2 also they may do. So another example is their opposite letter or opposite number. Pull. Push. So the value of pull is 11, 6, 15 and 15. So you should find the value of push. How it came. So the relation between P and 11. So uh, P original value is 16. P's opposite letter is K. K's value what? 11. Next, U. The original value of U is 21. U's opposite letter F. F's value 6. Next, L. The original value of L is 12. L opposite O. O's value 15. So like this. So they gave opposite letters of opposite numbers of pull. So you should find the opposite letters of push. So P. Original value of P is 16. Opposite letter K. The value of K is 11. Next, U. Same. 6 will come. Yes. The opposite letter of S is H. H value 8. Next. H. The opposite letter of H is S. S value 19. So the code for push is 11, 6, 8 and 19. This is the value for push. Next. So these are the main models in the number coding. Number coding is very easy topic as compared to letter coding. So another example is there, another model, direct model. So this direct model will come in both number coding and also in letter coding. For suppose, let us take one example in letter coding. Doctor. They gave code as STVPTK. And another okay. For doctor, they gave code as STVPTK, and for patient, they gave as AYPXZJP. So we should find the code for tent. You should find the code for tent. So this is direct coding. So for D and S, the relation is not there. So a particular relation is not there for these letters. So this is the direct coding. How to solve? We should say. I will say T. So here T is there. The value of T is P. So we should write P. E. The value of E is Z. So Z. N. The value of N is J. The value of T is, so the code for tent is PZJP. So they gave the values of two words, doctor and patient. And they will give the question from deriving from these two words. So tent is there in these two words only, TE and T. So you should find the values and uh, you should find the answer. In this way, there are numbers also. Student. Student is coded as student is coded as 9654106. Next, paint. Paint is coded as okay. So they may give one word or two words also. Let us say another one. So 3206. For the code for student is 9654106 and the code for parent is 3206. So you should find the code for pen. You should find the code for pen. The P, E and N is there here. So the value of P is 3. The value of E is 1 and the value of N is 0. So the code for pen is 310. So like this we should find direct coding, and also another model is there in number coding. So till now we saw that addition or subtraction or opposite letters. And another model is there in number coding. So for example, they gave go. Okay. The value for Z is 26 and the value for go is 22. You should find the value for AEO. So Z is 26. The original value of Z is also 26. Okay. Next go. The original value of G is 7 and O is 15. 15 plus 7, 22. So they add the both values of the letters. Next, we should add the values of A, E, O. A means 1, E means 5, O means 15. 21. So the value of AEO is 21. So here we added the values of the given letters. So we added the letters in this way. So we can do subtraction. So they may give subtraction, addition or multiplication. Or else they may give the opposite letters of the opposite numbers of the given letters. For example, A 26, 3, 31. We should find the code for YZX. So for A, they gave the code as 26. So for A, 26 means what? A opposite letter Z. Z is value 26. Next RE. So the opposite letter of R is I. I value 9. Opposite letter of E is 22. Sorry, E is V. Value of V is 22. 31 is the answer. So we should find the value of YZX. The opposite letter of Y is B. B value 2. Z is A value 1. X is C value 3. The value of YZX is 6. So this is the opposite numbers addition. So they may give subtraction or multiplication also. So these are the models from the number coding. At last we discuss about symbol coding. Symbol coding also a very easy topic. This is just like the direct coding. So for example, we take read. The code for read is dollar hashtag @ 5. Next, painter. So we should find the code for tier. So they gave the code for read is $#5, and the code for painter is 4 @triangle 6 square hashtag and dollar. So we should find the code for T here. So here T is there. The code for T is square. Next, the code for E is hashtag. The code for A is @ and the code for R is dollar. So the code for tier is square, hashtag, @ and dollar. So in this way, we should find the symbol coding sums. So this is very easy topic. In direct coding models, this topic also will come symbol coding, and also direct model is there in letter coding and also in number coding. Just we should observe the code of the letter and we should solve the given question. So this is the coding and decoding topic. In previous class, we discussed about letter coding, and in this class, we discussed about the number coding. In letter coding, we discussed about addition model, subtraction model, opposite model, reverse model, and in number coding, we discussed about same value of the given letter, or +1 value of the given letter, or -1. And also we discussed about the opposite number of the given letter, and we discussed the letters, addition of the given letters in the word, and they may give that same model as subtraction or multiplication also. And in symbol coding, we discussed about direct coding. This only one model is there in symbol coding. This is very easy topic, symbol coding. And direct coding also we discussed about in letter coding and also number coding. So this is coding and decoding process. Before doing coding and decoding process, you should know the table. What is the opposite letter for the given letter, or what is the value of the given letter? You should know about the table. So when you know the table, you can solve coding and decoding topic, and also you can solve classification, analogy. These three topics also you can solve easily. So the table is very important. So first observe the table how we will write A to Z. First we should write A to M, and also we should start from Z to N to Z. So in this way we will write alphabets in reasoning. So keep in mind and solve the problems of coding and decoding. Thank you.